Last time I rode, noticed that my favorite Harley Davidson jacket a little bit dry. So I want to condition it today. We use Venetian Shoe Cream. We buy it in a big 32-ounce container because it's considerably cheaper per ounce if you buy the large part. So let's get the liner out. It's been a little cold here to ride, so there's a little piece of leather in here, and then there's some leather trim. So we'll go ahead and get started conditioning the jacket. Let's see, I better shake this stuff up first. It's been a while since we've used it. So pretty simple. I just use some of these microfiber rags. Put some of the Venetian Shoe Cream on it. Kind of get it to soak into the rag just a little bit. And we'll start conditioning the leather. Just a light white. You can see when it goes on. And if it gets a little thick, that's okay. You can wipe it down. It's a lot easier to do on a table also. So that's why we've got the table laid out. Well, on the bottom here, everywhere there's leather, you can put conditioner. That keeps the leather from cracking, so your jackets last a long time. And these Harley jackets are expensive, but if you take care of them, they last a very long time. The one I'm conditioning here is over 20 years old. Up here on the collar. We've used a lot of conditioners over the years. I use this Venetian Shoe Cream on all the leather jackets and most of the other leather goods we have, that with the exception of my work boots. For my construction boots, I typically use a different product, but nicer leather shoes that aren't in a work environment, and pretty much all my Harley gear, I use this Venetian Shoe Cream. So there's the inside. Flip it over here. You guys can look at it, see how dry the leather is. Do the sleeves first, and then we'll get the rest of the jacket. Go ahead and zip it up. It'll make it a little bit easier, I think, since we've done the inside. Well, there's a flap. I need to get that flap first. Collar, and then we'll zip it up. You can feel the leather softening up as you put this Venetian Shoe Cream on your jacket. Really nourishes the leather. Sometimes you have to put a little bit more on areas that are super dry. Right here around the zipper, it's extremely dry. All right, zip it up. Now we should be able to get sleeves. Just trying to lay them out flat. That way I can make sure everything's conditioned correctly. Most of these Harley jackets, especially the ones that are embroidered like this, they don't make those very long. So if you're fortunate enough to have one of the nice embroidered ones, you need to take care of it so it'll last you. You won't be able to get another one. You can really see how dry and cracked it is right here around the elbow. And this will make it look brand new again and feel super soft, brand new jacket. These top and bottom seams here. Just about finished with this on. Now you can see what a difference it made with the elbow. Pretty quick. To the other arm. There's a little leather piece in here. Inside that zipper, make sure it's good condition. If you're wondering where to get the Venetian Shoe Cream, we typically buy it on Amazon. I haven't found it any more economical anywhere else. Where the leather gets a lot of abuse right here around the sleeves at the wrist. It's Make sure and don't forget that area. Get our seams here. All right, that's got our sleeves finished. And we'll move on to the jacket. Just go ahead and start with these Apollids since I'm here. Get those conditioned good. The other one. All right, let the front of this jacket out. It does have some embroidery here that you can see. It says Harley Davidson. If you put the leather conditioner over it, it will darken it slightly. But I feel like the leather needs to be treated, so I just deal with the embroidery darkening up just a little bit. Right. Jacket's starting to look a lot better now. Typically condition it about once a year because it only goes outside on the bike, you know, when it's cold. I've got another lightweight jacket I wear. This is my heavier one for colder weather. This inside seam right here. Down here at the waistline. Right, flip it over on the back, get the back, we're just about finished. With this back embroidery, since it has so much embroidery there, I am a little more careful with it when I condition it. Just about finished. Show everyone what it looks like when you get finished. Really starting to look good again. I think you will like this Venetian Shoe Cream. It really makes your leather feel super soft. go over that really light so the leather under it can be conditioned. All right, there we go. It's getting the cream out of the seams and show everyone what it looks like. Much better than what we started with. You can see the Venetian Shoe Cream really does the job. Looks excellent. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below on our YouTube channel. Thank you.